Now this is where we had the top layer. This is for putting. Now I'm about to double layer foil it. Put it in the oven by 60 minutes, give or take. And after 60 minutes, shabam. And you see I cleaned that. No more sauce. No more cheese. No but nothing but just a full pan of lasagna ready to be cooked. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the store real quick. I might sip some, roll some, sit back, watch a quick TV show, and by the time it's done, well, by the time the show done, this should be done. Excuse my French, and the way I'm talking a little slurred because I've been working all day, kind of hard, you know. Now man is off. I'm ready to make me something to eat for the evening. Watch me a few movies. And go to sleep and do the damn thing tomorrow with my kinfolk for his party. Until then, see y'all next time. Oh, I got to show y'all the finished product. So ain't no. Next time is when I put it out the oven. My bad, sorry.